What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Torrance Nike Outlet. Let's go see what they got. Wanna say it's been at least what three weeks since I've been here. All the Nike outlets been getting tons and tons of dope returns and stuff. They had a heat wall last time I came here. Let's see what they got. Dang, got a lot of people here. It is holiday weekend. They do got that heat wall up. Let's see what they got in that heat wall. Not only what do they got stuff on the heat wall, but do they have an extra discount? That's the real question. Not really, but they got those dunks right there, unions. Okay, checking out the backside right here. Okay. Definitely ask if they have additional sizes. But yeah, size 9.5 for these right here. Man, the threes, the color blocking on this super dope. The old school color blocking on them. Man, you got dunk highs. They're here. Air Max 1s. Okay, I haven't seen these too many times. Denim suede pair right here. Okay. Dunks. Jordan 1 lows. Looks like grade school. Jordan 5s right here. Okay. Unions. We've seen a lot of these being returned. I think that's the one that I grabbed. Yeah, 10.5. Got one of these at home. I was like, what? Are these the Flints? No, not really. But yeah, the 13s right here. Wannabe Flints. The chili red 9s. Grade school version of the gingers right here. Okay. Checking the other side. Man, they just keep coming at us. 10.5 for these unions. Got the Jordan 2 collab. I don't remember what collab with this was, but dude, got these. Kind of looking plain. Not a huge fan of these. Okay. Lisa Leslie dunks right here. These are super small. These are women's size. But yeah, these are probably what, 6. They're small. The 12s right here. Got 3s. The 8s. This looks like a grade school 6.5. Citrus 7s. Another one of these purples. So they got a few of these purple size. Or a few of these. Then they got, I don't know, is this the Obsidian one? Which one is this one? Whatever. They got that 13 right there. And then some comforts, which are, looks like grade school. These grade school, these women's, I don't know. But they're here. Ton of soft suede on it. Okay. 30% of the back wall this weekend. Depends on which one you go to though. Some are 30, some are 20. All right, let's look. Starting off with the huge sizes, size 15, going for $70. These are the Flytrap 5s. Size 18s, the GT runs. The Zoom GT runs go for $110. Remember, you do get another 15 off all this. Size 14, $130 for the Infinity Refined 2s. Katie Trey 5 9s go for $85. Another size 15 right here. The Vapor Fly Next Percents go for $115. Got a size 14 right next to that. These are going for $140. Kyrie Infinities going for regular price, size 15. Some Air Force Ones. Some suede. It's okay suede. Yeah, some of it's rough. Some of it's decent. $130 for those, size 14. LeBron's 120, size 14 for those. $170 for these bad boys. Yeah, they're here. I think are they still cheap on Nike? I don't know. Nike.com had them for hella cheap before. Alpha Fly Next Percent 2s. Ooh, dang, haven't seen these yet. Is that Zoom X stack in the back even fatter? Looks even fatter, holy crap. And this part seems a little different. I don't know, is it different? I can't tell. Damn, that fool used it and everything, didn't? Just brought it back. And then they're gonna give it to us for a regular price. I guess we get the 30 off, I guess. All right, size 12. I'm seeing a ton of LeBrons. $120 for these. Bunch of different colorways to 11.5, $169. $99 for these as well. Size 14. LeBron 9s. Size 12, $230 for these. Dang, I just realized this is the most packed I've ever seen this place. $130 for these 11.5 Infinity Run Flyknits. Holiday weekend, man. It's crazy. 10.5, $80 for these. We have my other 2s. I'll show you the crowd in a sec. $120 for these Air Max 2017s. Lows right here. Regular price for the LeBron lows? No way. What these blazers going for? $60 for these blazers. Oh, this is some nice weight on this one. Not bad. Especially with that extra 30 off. Zoom Trouts for you baseball people. $130 for those 11.5. Air Force Ones. These are definitely interesting. It's like nubuck or it's really short hair suede. I don't know. 140, size 11. Carry 8s. This is a Nike by you. That's interesting. $90 for those? Okay, that's a hell of a deal right there. Okay. The series mids go for 7. It's a 9.5. Jordan ADG golf right here. Okay, the ADG 4s. A black cement colorway right here. Okay. Those definitely don't look like Jordans, but the colorway definitely looks like a black cement. 185, size 9.5 for those. Zoom Fly 4, size 9.5, go for 140. Ton of LeBrons here. Seeing a ton of LeBrons. Size 8. Some Air Force One lows right here, go for, who knows? More of these fly chaps go for 70. I was like, what bread item is this? We're throwing that back. Sizing all out of whack here. Usually it's like really on point, but I think they're just a lot busier than normal. Flytrap 5s go for 80. And these blazers right here. It's a size 9. Regular price, I guess. I do need a backpack for my kiddo. The backpack he currently has, not the greatest for his folders and stuff. I don't really see too many great ones. Prices, okay, 45 down to 30. 45 down to 30 for these. Look like the same makeup. 55 to 45 for these. Just not great discounts, to be really honest. We found backpacks for steals here. Not today. All right, let's go see what's up with the aisles right here. Air Max Dons. What the hell is this? Dude got Hydro 6s. Pretty decent price. Jordan Luca PEs. What the hell is this? He has a PE slide? Was not aware of this. Okay, these. All right, they're right. They're definitely not $10. So it looks like it's in the wrong place. Luca slides go for 45. It's these slides. The Victory 1 sides go for $10. You do get an extra 30% off. So $7 slides. These are it right here. $7. Or you could get a Benassi slide for way too much. Even with the 20 off, still way too much. Air Max Genomes. Couple different colorways. 270s right here. Air Max 270s. Killshot 2s. Okay. Got LeBron's, really well priced. I think it's still cheap on the website. I don't know. Jordan Access. I just realized they kind of make it look like the Shattered Backboard Co. It's funny. These are the Witness 5s, Soldiers. Another one of those. Giannis Immortalities, Flytrap 4s. Got some Metcon 6s, Super Rep 3 or Super Rep Go 3s. Okay. Music here way louder than normal. What the hell? Hirachis, Air Force One highs, Air Max 2090s. Got a few colorways of these. Mostly black one right there. Air Max 95s, pretty well priced. Air Flight 89s, 2017s. Got a few of these. They have ones with 3M right here. The black ones, they have ones with the 3M Nike swoosh. They have ones without it. This is the one without it, obviously. Black to blue color changing one right here. Got some extra bright ones. Air Max APs. Some alley-oops that come in the SB box. That'd be fooling you sometimes. Like, oh, they got some dope SBs. They got alley-oops. Shout out to the homie Lorenzo who came to say what's up. Said he appreciates me posting stuff because I try to help y'all find deals. All right, good looking out. All right, React Myler 3s. This ain't the React Myler 3s. Oh shit, they are apparently. Okay, I never even knew they came out the updated version. It looks more like the Infinity Run React, so it looks like they changed silhouette a little bit. Because these are the React Myler 2s. Okay, can see it progressing. It's the same price though. What the hell? See, I thought it was these right here, the Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Looks kind of similar. Oh man, they got these. My boy loves these. This is like his favorite sneaker. I bought one for him a while back. He paid me back and everything, but yeah, down to. Well, I don't know what the hell the price would be. What would that be? What, $62, $63? Damn, that's cheap. All right, I'm gonna have to hit them up. I was just about to hit that full up, took a picture and everything. They have a 10.5. They don't have any 10s. He wears a size 10. Yeah, that's an 11 right there. Yeah, no, size 10 sucks for him. Dope. All right, you can see on the side I even checked the Nike app. Man, that would have been a really good price. Dope. Phantom React Flyknit 2s. Pegasus right here, Pegasus 37. They got some Nike free Flyknits if you're into those. Pegasus Trail 4s. I didn't even know that they came out with the 4s. Funny because I mostly go to the Nike outlets and they hadn't had these, so okay. Pegasus 38s, Pegasus Trail 3s, Infinity Run Finding 2s, Pegasus Trail 2s, they're going way back apparently. Another one of these Infinity Run Findings. I think that's it. Checking again, see if I missed anything or seeing if anything has changed. Yeah, no, nothing different. Let's take a look at what I'm wearing. I'm wearing some Jordan 5. These are the apple greens. Kind of like the poor man's Oregon 5 PE pretty much. And I hate saying poor man because yeah, we're paying $200 for sneakers and stuff too, but yeah, wearing it with the Timberwolves jersey that I got for what, $30 at where was it, at the Lids, Locker Room by Lids. Man, the green's a little different, but that's close enough, whatever. All right, I gotta make this trip a little quicker than normal. I'm looking around the women's section. Do get that 30% off, but not really seeing much right now. Checking out the women's aisle so real quick. The Fontankas right here, Shadows, the Pixels, and then I don't know what the hell these are called. It's got like pearls on it or something. Okay. Air Force One Shadows, Air Max 97s. Women's section looking way doper than they've ever looked here in quite some time. The Air Max 90 Terra Escapes, 90 Futuras, Air Max 270. Yeah, and this is more the stuff that I'm used to here. I have to look at the names. The Air Max Terrabella Trainer 3s, the in-season Trainer 3s, some horrible looking Jesus sandals. This is the stuff I'm used to here, but they do have some heat in the women's section. Okay. We'll check out the grade school section real quick too. Air Force One highs right here. 270 Extremes. Whenever they do an extreme, just means no laces, some sort of Velcro. I don't know how that makes it extreme, but whatever. Jordan Ma 2s. Cortezes, you cannot find these in the men's sizes. Airmore Up-Tempos. Damn, that's a hell of a price. If you women want one, that's dope. Women that wear size 7 and under, 7 youth and under, I guess. But yeah, Air Force Ones. This is that knit material. Like, oh, it's kind of interesting. Okay. LeBron. Dang, and that's it. There's a couple toddler or preschool stuff on the other side, but yeah, I gotta kind of wrap things up, dude. All right, real quick, check some of the stuff out here. Winter hoodies. This is small, go for $130. Looks hella warm. Seen the USA jackets, seen these a ton of times. $179.97. Normally $3. These are smalls. See like t-shirts and stuff like that. Plenty of t-shirts, $20 for these. All the clearance apparel that we're looking at is 30% off on top of all this. All these prices. Sweatshirt, XL sweatshirt right here, going for $60. Blank Spurs jersey. This is not one of the authentics. $110 for this one. It's a swingman. Jordan t-shirt, $35, down to $35. Blank Miami jerseys. I think this is the authentic one. Yeah, $150, normally $225. These are smalls. And they got Phoenix ones. These are the authentic ones. $200 down to $100. Remember, you do get 30% off. Tennessee Volunteers hoodie going for $55, normally $80. That was a small, by the way. You got a Jordan hoodie right here going for $45. Oh, it's a Nike hoodie, my bad. $45. There's a medium. Then a blank Jets jersey. All right, this is down to $105, normally $150. I think that's about it, yo. Oh, wait, what's this? Westbrook jersey. Is he gonna stay with the Lakers? Who knows? $110. Okay. And then fleece. It says 40% off right here. Yep. So 55, you get 40 off of that. T-shirts, you get $40 off. Damn, I really should get one of these, but I need to get the hell out of here, dude. Yeah, $35 gets 40% off on top of that. Wow. I think I have that hoodie, right? I have that hoodie at home. I don't have that one. Yeah, that one's dope. Then 20% off these shorts. These shorts are short as hell, man. Nobody want no damn shorts like that. I don't know, maybe some people do. I don't know. But 20% off of that. I think I'm done. You guys. All right, gotta take my kids somewhere. We're out. Shout out to the homie Anthony. He's somewhere. I don't know, he's somewhere. Thanks for saying what's up. All right, let's go. We're done. All right, guys, not the craziest trip. You do get 30% off the clearance section. That is pretty freaking fire. They had a bunch of stuff in the aisles that were pretty well priced too, because they threw a bunch of 20% off, a bunch of random stuff. So that's pretty freaking dope. The heat wall, no extra discounts today. this place, it does kind of depend on what their stock is. If they have a ton of stuff, they'll give you an extra discount off of that heat wall. But yeah, a lot of times they won't, because you know, it's not like this is one of the huge outlets, so it's not like they have like a ton of stuff. But it is dope to be able to get stuff like that for retail. Remember, like, we weren't able to find a ton of things. We weren't able to find a ton of Jordans for retail stuff. So when we're able to get it for retail, we just need to be happy with that, right? There are certain outlets where they do give you 30% off on top, but a lot of those, like, they're filled with resellers and it's hard to get. So this is a pretty dope spot, especially since you can get stuff for retail and you don't have to freaking fight like 500 resellers just to get what you want. So pretty dope spot, you guys. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys help our boy and press that like button if you're new. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. That was Nike Outlet Torrance. Got plenty of other videos coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.